Hi everyone, my name's John Frater. I'm the owner, manager of JayCee Welding. We've been in business since 1990, and this project, Kobar, is our latest project that we're doing for Aspect Construction. We've got a team of 20 tradesmen and riggers, and we specialise in structural steel. This project, Kobar, it's a big warehouse. It's comprised of 300 tonne of steel and 3 lots of offices. We've pre-assembled the roof sections on the ground. So the process of erection entails getting the foundations correct. They have to be deadly accurate. The hold down bolts and the RLs, which are the relative levels, have to be checked and packed as required. We then stand the columns up first, check them for plumb and level and stay them off, and then the structure can go on top. At JayCee Welding, we pride ourselves on getting the job done right, first time, on time and within budget.